There's gonna be another big bed now. We are trying to open. Amara is helping me and Jane is helping me. This one's gonna be our bed. Oh man. Pull it. Look, both of them are helping me. The little one is very helpful. Is Zainy Mani.
Zainy Mani is the one who.
Oh my god, it's so long. Look at this, so long. I'm gonna get it out.
Can't rip it?
No, don't rip it. We're gonna just take it out. Don't rip it. It's heavy, man. Don't pull it. Wait. We need to take the box out on this side. Wait. Zainy, stop it. Oh man, he's just making mess. Look, he's had a new carpet. And now he's making new carpet. He's just making mess. Zainy Mani, this is not nice. Why do you do that for?
You can do it to yours if you like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey. What are you doing? Hey.
Should be more space. Put it. Then don't do that, please.
Look. Please. Careful, Mama. Wait. Let me push it. So heavy. Careful. Zainy, move.
Very good.
Yeah, well done. Amara, we done it. It's out. Take the box out now. Zainy, move.
Oh, the box is heavy.
Quite heavy.
Is there more stuff in here?
Don't know.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, looks like it. Yeah. There is some more stuff. Let's go inside. There is more stuff. I'm so tired. What is that? Is it a side or something? What is that? This looks like a guitar. Oh, two of them.
What are you doing here?
What are you doing? Why are you so busy, bird? Look, he's doing all a lot of hard work.
Bye.
She's going inside the box. What are you doing, Amara?
Get me!
Amara, go inside the box.
I can't get out. My new bed.
There is a one big box here. There.
Mommy, I think I
Don't know
found
what
another
inside
bed.
is. And Amara is inside the box. Go inside full.
No,
Okay,
I can't breathe.
Go. Let's see. You can't breathe. Box is not closed. Bye. See you later.
Bye. You scared me.
So we just moved to the new house, so we are getting all this stuff slowly. Carpet is done today, and this bed we bought a long time ago, but we didn't put it on because carpet is not done, so we are waiting for the carpet done. There's another big box. Two more boxes left. Oh my days, look at this.
This one's more complicated.
Oh, it looks more complicated, isn't it, Amara?
Yep.
This is bed we're gonna make. What's this stuff? What is this thing? Let's see.
I think it's like bamboo or something.
Bamboo. Where are you gonna put the bamboo?
Is that thing to hold the mattress probably? I
There's
don't know.
so many things. We need to just follow the instructions.
It's probably not a
Look
bamboo.
into
I think it's wooden.
Bamboo. This bamboo is gonna go on the. Oops. So many things. Let's pull that one, right? Pull it, Amara. Pull this way. Can you pull it?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, now hold this one. Yeah, it's gonna hold.
Okay.
Oh, it's coming up. This is the frame, I think. They're carrying with the small scissor.
Yeah.
Oh, you need to help me. I'm out of breath. This is basically all this stuff out now. We have to assemble all of them. Careful. Amara is going inside the box.
Well, I broke the box.
Amara, what are you doing? Go inside the box.
Also, come and find me.
Still working on the bed. Yes. Nearly done. Now this needs to go on there. Just clip on. And one other thing, this one got on the bottom. Then it's done. And then mattress. It's nearly, what time is it now? Oh my days. It's 11 o'clock night. Look. Still working on the bed. Almost done. Here's the last one. This is the plate. Just put in there. Put some pressure. One side. And the clip on. Oh. A little spanner they gave me this. So cute. I like it. There is the Blunky boy. What's going on, Blunky boy? Whose picture is that? That's the Blunky boy. Blunky boy, what's going on? You left your blanket. So this is the next day morning. We done the 2 bed in the same night, but this is the next day, the final product. Done. Not bad, isn't it? So this bed is called Ottoman. This is the reason why I bought it. It's quite nice. So if you put this bed mattress here, you can store a lot of thing item here. And that one you can pull it. This thing and this mattress that one gonna hold the is on. So and all this stuff, lot of storage here. This hinges was very tough to fit in. I found this very difficult to fit, but it's very nice bed. Ottoman. Yeah, that's it.